Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace isn't available to you. So let's get into the video. So open up your Facebook, and if you have this issue where you don't able to see this marketplace option here, so what you can do in order to fix this, a couple of tips what you can do. Firstly, make sure that marketplace, you're eligible to use marketplace. So that is, make sure you are 18 years and older. So if you are under 18, then unfortunately you won't be able to use marketplace. It's not applicable. Or if there's a mistake on your date of birth or age, so try to fix it under your personal details. Go to settings and then go to the account center and edit your personal details and change it and make sure that your age is 18 and above. All right, and then once that's done, and then what you can do is next step, you can also go to your App Store or your Play Store and see if there is an update for Facebook. If there is an update for Facebook, kindly update your Facebook, because mostly an update will fix most bugs in most cases. So if there's an update here like mine here, so just hit on update and get it updated. And finally, if you're still having an issue, then what you can do, you can simply, once you're on your profile here, try to shake your phone and you will get to this report technical option here. So you can turn this shake phone to report, turn that switch on, and then click on report problem and then hit on don't include. And now what you can do, you can simply reach out to Facebook customer support and let them know that your marketplace is not showing up, and you can add a screenshot, and then that's it, and then hit on send, and that's it. The customer service will look into your issue and then sort it out for you. And that's pretty much it. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.